Hi everyone and mabuhay. Welcome back to another new video, and today we will be learning crochet basics. Lesson 2, how to do a single crochet stitch. Now a little about the single crochet stitch. This is one of the basic stitches that you will learn in crocheting. Mostly you will find it in amigurumis and in other combination stitches such as the moss stitch, ribbing, and other stitches that you will learn along the way. I started with this stitch when I was just a beginner, and I hope this video tutorial helps you all. Now that we've learned how to do a slip knot and a chain, make sure to insert your hook into the second chain from your hook. Grab your yarn and then pull it through the loop. Now once you pull it, you're supposed to have 2 loops on your hook. Now you're gonna yarn over again and pull that yarn through both loops. Now let's repeat that, but on the next hole. Insert your hook into the hole. Pull out the yarn. You're supposed to have 2 hoops on your hook. Yarn over and pull it through both loops. Now you have a single crochet. Now continue doing that until you reach the ending. Now once you reach the end, what you're gonna do is chain 1, flip your work, and then you're gonna find the next hole to start single crocheting on. And yeah, that's basically how you do a single crochet, and I hope this tutorial helps you. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to always create with a smile.